Once again, we are delighted to present you a new short-term program at Epitech for game designers, game developers, IT students, tech enthusiasts. We are ready to present you the Epitech Winter School 2026 in Berlin. From January 5th to 16th, 2026, you will be able to immerse yourself in a 10-day intensive program where you will be able to create your dream game from scratch using Unreal Engine 5, guided by one of our experts in game design. Created for international students passionate about video games and creativity, this program is perfect for you if you're looking for a new IT international experience. Here's what you can expect. Hands-on learning, you will dive into the exciting world of game development through project-based learning, which is our pedagogy at Epitech. No boring lectures, just real practical experience. You will learn everything from navigating the Unreal Engine 5 interface to creating interactive actors, designing levels, and implementing game logic. For the international environment, join a diverse group of students from all around the world. This is your chance to collaborate, network, and learn in one of Europe's most vibrant tech hubs, especially in one of our Epitech campus. You can earn credits for this program. Obviously, it can be up to 6 ECTS credits, along with a certificate to boost your resume. For the program outlines, the journey is divided into clear, structured steps. First will be an introduction to Unreal Engine 5 and blueprint scripting. Then will be character and environment logic, user interface, then project design, where teams pitch their minigame concepts, the development sprint 1 and 2, which will be focusing on the core gameplay loop, and then the 2 last days about testing and finalization, and the demo day where you will be presenting your project to an audience. How much are the tuition fees? For standard fee non-partner universities, it will be 2,300 euros. If you are studying at one of Epitech's 128 partners institutions, you can check with your international office to see if you are eligible for a discount, which will be 2,100 euros. For local students, if you don't need any accommodation or German classes, it will be only 1,300 euros. What you will get with these fees, it's an all-inclusive program covering courses, housing, weekdays meal, activities, and a Berlin transport pass for the 2 weeks. Why you should choose our program? It's not only about a winter school, it's above all an opportunity for you to expand your network, boost your skills, improve your resume, and enjoying the life of Berlin. So don't hesitate to apply, and we look forward to seeing you in Berlin!